week 4 is
Design challenge.
Sorry, I felt like I had to scream that because design challenge is my favorite type of the week because the design challenge is where we are introducing the switch and there's a switch and I believe a wearable. The only thing that's different that's different in week 4 is that we have a switch and we have a wearable of your choice. That's what you can do. That's the only difference, right? So you have a new circuit, you have a new switch, and the only thing that's different that's a part of the design challenge, not to confuse everybody, like what's the challenge is you can choose whatever type of wearable you want. So if you're aware with the program, the wearable, you have a forearm, you have your badge, we have a thigh one, we have a shin wearable, and just to show you a little bit more what I'm talking about. Here we have a wearable, a switch, and a moving part, right? So in this design challenge, you're gonna learn a new circuit, a switch, and the only thing that's different is you could choose your own wearable. So I'm gonna just demo, if you've been checking out the Beam stream, I'm gonna just demo Tim Fife, shout out to him, man, he's dope. I'm gonna show his design here because this is a perfect and just a quintessential example of how the design works. As you can see here, he has something that moves, right? And you can put it on your forearm. Maybe if you want to make the wearable bigger, you can put it on your calf and put it on your thigh. But now the difference is, flip the other way. The difference is when you touch a part of the design, look at that, look at that, look at that action we got going. You see, it moves. And I believe a part of this design is if you test it, you put a piece of, like it says sample here. I don't know if you can see that, but as you can see, if I'm a little bit closer to the overhead, you see it says sample and you put a sample diamond in. And theoretically, if it's a real diamond, if you're really serious about this relationship, it will move and dance like, baby, I love you. Put it in the sample design. And if it moves, happy marriage. I don't know what I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying. This is cool. This is cool. This is really cool. Really cool design, all right? So that's just a part of the design challenge, right? You making a new circuit, you making a touch circuit, AKA a switch. There's many different names for it, where you put two pieces of metal together and it'll create a really cool like movement using the servo motor.